Last year I took a much closer look at Oracle Cloud. I discussed how the traditional cloud boundaries are becoming blurred with the integration of Oracle Autonomous Database, which provisions databases, configures and tunes for specific workloads, and scales compute resources when needed, automatically. And while I previously had very little good to say about its Gen1 OCI, Gen2 is solid and is picking up customers left and right, especially Oracle database customers. As noted in its recent earnings call, Oracle Autonomous Database has been growing rapidly, increasing 55% year-over-year in constant currency in the most recent quarter, Q3 FY21. And Autonomous Database continues to innovate without a direct response from its competition, after nearly 3 years in the market. I am not aware of any other fully autonomous, machine learning-powered, self-driving, self-securing, self-patching, cloud data warehouses available from any other vendor, be it AWS, Snowflake, Microsoft Azure or the more legacy database vendors such as IBM, SAP and Teradata. The competition has been very busy creating focused, single-purpose databases. AWS, for example, currently has 16 of them, and counting. Strategically, I get this. I once had a real job, running strategy, have run billion-dollar businesses, and if I had to compete with Oracle, this is what I would do. You always attack, integrated, with, best of breed. I believe the enterprise challenge becomes integrating the disparate databases to work together. As of today, there are several variants of the Oracle Autonomous Database portfolio, including Autonomous Data Warehouse, ADW, Autonomous Transaction Processing, ATP, and Autonomous JSON Database, AJD. Unlike other vendors' single-purpose, focused databases in the cloud, Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse supports multi-mode and multi-workload requirements within a single converged database engine, including operational, analytic, JSON document, graph, ML, and blockchain. There is no ETL required to move data, no separate services to invoke, as everything is engineered into the same database. This is different from going from AWS Aurora to AWS Redshift, where customers invoke a Lambda function, followed by a Kinesis function, to AS3 bucket and then load the data into Redshift. In Oracle Autonomous Database, I believe transactional data can be combined with analytical data with relative ease. There are thousands of autonomous database customers globally, including companies relying on it for data warehousing such as ride-hailing innovator Lyft, $50 billion global insurance leader Aon, telecommunications leader Vodafone, content provider and broadcaster Sky, the largest insurance company in Italy and one of the largest worldwide, Generali, as well as Accenture, Outfront Media, MineSense, real estate conglomerate Kingold, financial services provider Certegy, and many more.